Ladies and gentlemen,
to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And in today's video we are going to see a small and basic how to create a book by basics steps. So you have to enter Control plus N, and then you will see slide like this. Then you can enter your name and also size also. And after that there should be a page view, A4 size. But then let's this get a rectangle. Let's draw a rectangle. I have to select these things and press right click and you will see options. If you have any doubt, please don't be hesitant to comment, and then I will explain you. Then that is how you can change the color. And there should be a multiple symbols. You can choose anything of this. You can see in your computer or PC in Photoshop. Then you have to draw it like this. And if you want to fill it, then you have to fill color, and without stroke you can also hit with a stroke. This is just a symbol. You can do it, you can make it reality or really interactive by changing the FX option. I'll show you. Then let's type as text here. It's just a random name. I have downloaded this QR code from Google, just typing by the barcode PNG, then add something. You can manage the size. And let's add the text by author. This is a FX option that you can change. If you want to learn Photoshop properly, then you have to do some things like this. FX, go to FX options and select those everything, and just reduce and increase and reduce and increase. Do it whatever, how many times you can do it, and you will learn properly Photoshop, and it will help you to get more ideas. Then text author, and in the things I will show you how to enter the text and how to change the text and how to make change the color. You can see there in the top of the page there you be a color, arrow color. Then if you click that color, then you can change it color. And if you want a ruler, then you can get the ruler. If you are a professional or if you are a editor, then it will guide you to make your parts, aligning everything will be perfect, and it's also good. And don't forget to subscribe. Let's see you in a new video, and thank you for being watching this video. The text is ended, and thank you so much for watching.